Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you so much giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ganesh Jain Jangde, and my partner name is Manoj Gaikwad. We both are done this project under guidance Professor Mayur Mali, sir. My project name is Rayat Health Club. we also like to we also like to thanks special thanks Mayur sir. We like to also extend the scenes appreciate to all staff members to computer department. Without their help and cooperation, the project would not have been success. Finally, would like to thank you our family and my friends, without whose support this project would not have been completed successfully. This is my project index, introduction, problem definition, need of computerization, scope of proposal system, objective, proposal system and facing finding techniques, platform, software and hardware, data dictionary, design tool, and there are five types of the diagrams, implementation of strategy, sample input and output screen, future enhancement, drawbacks of the system, conclusion and bibliography. First is the definition, problem definition. The system is totally manual, so that required for each process is very high. Authority of requirements are not fulfilled in specific time. Okay. In the existing system, searching record is very tedious job because it's written register. Maintain all records of customer and its fee and calculation is very time consuming work. Find out remaining of the consumers very difficult is because the records maintain the paperwork. Need of computerization. As we are studying the existing manual system in Ayush Health Club, we found to inform that number of limitation in the system, like that user manual system, and it never helps for the fast decision making. Its process is very slow, which consumes the lot of time. To avoid the limitations, there need of producing the system, which should be user is friendly, easy maintain, store and related information or data, easy reproduce, store data, helps making and fast decision. Whole process we should be faster than existing manual system. Today, three needs of computerization is very field. Ayush Health Club system will be give more accurate, flexible, and reliable system. Our project will also reduce the number of problems and manual work. Although today software is so many software available in market, various resulting process, but our system useful the rather than because of faster communication between each and every users handle this system, which minimize the effective time required for the health club system. This is the part of the this project. Thus, the project is very useful today. World Health Club, which provide to accurate information of the particular member, fee, installment display, and remaining period details, monthly and currently. Also display the birthday. Scope of proposal system. There here so many options. Add, update, delete member detail. Okay, and second is the report generation, query processing, objective and passport system, information, updating of information, user friendly, minimize the paperwork, and last is a uh, security. First is a inform validation. At the point of record generation, there is no spot validation of data, ensuring the efforting recording the data. There is higher chances missing the data is manual system. Updating the all information in modification mode of related field, which is proper work. User friendly. This app is very user friendly. Specific point guidance for next move is provided. The person not much aware the components, it can be operate easily. and minimize the paperwork. User the register, etc. is effectively record all the necessary data, and security system is so well. I go to next page, system analysis. This is system analysis. Analysis is the fact finding technique. Refer, document referred, observation, and interview. Platform of the software and hardware. Okay. This introduced the platform of software and hardware. Hardware required the RAM is 128 MB and about the 500 MB free hard disk space specific safe operation. And platform of the software, they're using this app operating system Windows 2007, XP, Vista, Windows 10, and platform of Java, JDK 1.7_03. Backend, MS Access. The requirement of the system listen about the minimum requirement of is needed to operation system of the site. This is the data dictionary. Here you hold the login page. This is also the login page. There you look the field name, size, data type, construct, and description. And this is the name of the members. I go to next page. This is the system design. This is a design tool, ER diagram. This is the ER diagram. User, add members, view, and last is Wraith Health Club file data. And second is the flow diagram. This flow diagram is also as the same. This is the whole part of Wraith Health Club. And first is user, Wraith Health Club data file. There you'd update and delete plans and members, view plans, members, and details. And second is access of data and add new data. This is second is the class diagram, member plan and login and interface correction. Object diagram of interaction. It is starting to write the health system. Is how to work. This is the plan diagram. There are so many how diagrams in this project. This is easy usually components of this diagram, collaboration of this diagram. Have so many diagrams of this project. Implementation of strategies. Uh, the implementation stage is project where the theoretical design. Firstly, the turn into the working system is giving confidence to new system for the user, which will be efficiently and effectively involve the carefully planning, investigation, current system, its construct on the implementation design method achieve the change over and evolution change over the methods. Apart from planning major task preparation and implementation of education and training users. The so many implemented of this project. I go to next page. This is the screen of snaps. There is the login. Here is the login page, input and output. This is the username and password. This is a safe, and this is the uh, client's names. This is Jagtap Mayur is paid 900 rupees and pending is 400 rupees. Second name is Kadam Krishant, uh, paid 750 and pending 1,100. Sorry, Bharat Bhagat Sagar, 2,900 and pending 100 rupees. This is a information to the client. This this is the login page. This this is the number, how which the customer number, date, which time the client is come to in hospital, last name, first name, and middle name. Also the mobile number, birth date, age, BMI, and this is the physician name, also name and batch timing, and this is the plan, how much plan he was the taking. Next page is also same as the Jagtap Mayur, height, weight, IBM, also same, and who's the getting treatment also are the same. I went to the yeah, this is the plan type, general, period, modify, and here's the fees. Here also the same. I went to next page. This is the user manual, Red Health Club. Fully, this is the login form. This type is login form. New, and second new installment, then update, delete, print, exit, plan, and change password. This is the installment process, plan, print. Everything is available for and is used to very easy in this application. Limitations of this software, yeah, is most important for the information kinding regarding this software. It is a standalone application is so limited user can take the benefit of this Wraith Health Club. Initially, we have created some small amount of database because there rather than large database functionally must the documentation. Numbers of member include the Wraith Health Club are the less, but future add new members is easily. Although our system is very low, computational complexity which makes the possible frequency. It creates the accurate features. Online learning is still limitations when it is necessary to adapt the complicated changing network environment. And is also have drawbacks of this system. First is the software does not provide online facility. It can be used to LAN system. It supports only the English language. This software does not handle the situation of concurrent. This is a transaction processing. Is handle the one side at a time. When system is concurrent data is mentioned wrongly, the software does not display properly of data. Okay. Features and enhancement. LAN system supporting of multiple languages like Marathi, concurrent transaction processes. And finally, I come to a conclusion of this project. This project is useful for Wraith Health Club for the maintaining of different information related to the health club. This include member of registration is fee, its fee, and mainly the maintained data is securely with the password protected. Also, database like then handling fans memory requirement is also less efficiency and maintained because the essential that is collected information is made available so them in locally suitable format using the relevantly suitable appropriate technology. And this is the conclusion of this project. Bibliography is the complete reference is Herbert Stadilt and Java 6 programming and Black Book. Our collecting the information this website www.wikipedia.organization and second is www.java.com and www.netbeans.organization and finally done this project. Thank you so much.